how to study for CDS examination. First thing, prior to your preparation towards this CDS examination, first approach your family doctor, family physician, and carry out medical examination from reputed doctor. The thing is that many things we are not aware about our body only. So you can ask that doctor that check out for defense services ability. So certain tests are there, vision, color blindness and all that, flat foot, knee joint. So like that, whatever your doctor can perform within his premises, that test you can perform. Then if that doctor says yes, physically you are eligible, then only start preparation. The thing is that if you are getting rank 1, but you are disqualified in medical examination, then they are not considering you. And therefore, before preparing, first appear for this medical test that you can carry out at your family doctor, family physician, and then start your preparation. Now, about preparation. First paper, that is general studies. Total 10 subjects we had to study over there. There are physics, chemistry, biology, environmental science, history, national freedom struggle. Here they are separating out history and national freedom struggle. That means history till 1857 and after 1857. Two papers are separate. Then Indian polity, then economics, geography, and lastly current affairs. But all questions are of multiple choice questions. So this is something about CDS first paper. Second paper, that is English. In case of that, they are testing your knowledge about English proficiency, that is language proficiency, grammar, then your vocabulary, and grasping in that particular thing. So questions are there, only multiple choice questions are there. As MCQ questions are there, they are having a format. Say for example, some underlying part is there. And we have to find out which statement is right or which statement is wrong. Like that, subject verb agreement and all that they are there. Then vocabulary, synonyms, etc. They are testing out that also. And then passages, that means comprehension skill. So short passages and long passages. So like that things they are testing out your, that is also for 100 marks. Now if you are preparing, or rather than that, till 10th standard, if you are studying out in English medium, then this English proficiency is not that difficult. But if you are learning out in vernacular medium, that means other than English medium, till 10th standard, then may be possible you have to get some more efforts in this English part. The third paper, that is of mathematics. In case of that, obviously whatever you have studied out till 12th standard level, plus some parts of simple arithmetics, they are also added, so that everything is there, that is for 100 marks. But if you are preparing for Officers Training Academy, that is OTA examination, then mathematics is not there. So total 300 marks papers are there. At a time, can you appear for both the papers? Answer is yes. So you can click out, say I want to appear for IMA and OTA. So wherever your score is eligible, you can consider over there also. So like that things are there. So this is about written examination. Those who are qualified in written examination, then they are called for SSB interview, which is actually we have to stay over that center for 4 to 5 days, for some people 1 day only, because on first day may be possible they can disqualify you. If you are able to cross out first day, then you have to stay there for 5 days, where they are testing you differently, your mental strength, your physical abilities, what is the commitment and all that they are going to test. And finally, after SSB, say there is no strict rule about the selection. Say for example, in case of UPSC, there is requirement that is 1:3 ratio. So after first two tests, that means prelim and mains, they are selecting candidate in such a way that if 1000 is the vacancy, they will call 3000 students for interview. So we are calling this as 1:3 ratio. That is there in UPSC civil services examinations. But in case of CDS examination, they don't have such obligations that out of 3 you have to select any one candidate. So no such things are there. Their duty is to select the most eligible candidate. Like that, we are facing this CDS, that is SSB interview. The third stage, that is medical examination. Now, as I have discussed that prior to your preparation, you have already undergoing this type of test. So chances are more. Why I am saying chances are more? Because I am not recommend you to carry out your MRI and all that. If you are performing that all before preparation, then it is bit costly. So I have not recommended you to do that. But all these tests, a basic test, it should not happen that you are qualifying for mains, you are qualifying after SSB interview and they will detect out color blindness or your vision is not there in their limit, etc. So this should not happen. And for that purpose, it is recommended that first carry out medical test at your doctor's center. And then, now this is, if you are able to qualify after SSB interview, then you are appearing for this medical and then you can get selected if you are qualifying in medical examination. So this is the total process for CDS examinations, that is Combined Defense Services examination.